guys, I just want to, oh shoot, Grandma, move them carrots right there.
Grandma,
What?
do you have a couple dollars or no?
I
So,
don't think so. For what?
move the carrots right there
right.
to the
Maybe
side.
like $3 I might have. I don't know. Let me check.
Hang on.
Who's giving you a ride?
D'Angelo, he's here.
D'Angelo got a car?
No, his mom.
Oh.
So, the first two cards, I'm going to have my grandma read it to you real quick. I got cards from people that I know. One from Chelsea. It said, oh shoot, what slipped out of there?
What do you do with my money? Good money.
This is a picture of
One, two bucks.
a
That's the only singles I have for a pop.
Samsung 7. Wait, how do I make it? Oh, Jesus, I don't know if I'm showing it right. Grandma,
What?
I don't know if I'm showing
Yeah,
this
you're
right.
showing it right.
Yeah, a Samsung Galaxy 7 from Sprint. Funny, Chelsea.
She could have sent you the damn phone.
I know, I wanted one. This says, here, I'm going to have her read it to you. What is this? This is,
I don't know what to do with this read.
We gotta get to H&R Block and figure all this out.
so,
I think that's the second one is for the disability
this
check I
says,
got.
my
They
friend
text that?
Yeah,
did
it
two
takes
peace
anything and
signs at the
everything.
bottom. Wait.
Where do you want? Where can I put this? I
So-
can't get nowhere.
Put it on top of your coffee can right there.
He did, no,
Or right
sorry.
here. I got a holder on the
She
wall
did,
right there. Tuck
two
it in
peace
up
signs
there.
right here.
Repeat.
Really
Right
cute.
Yeah.
And then I have one from my teacher, Miss Donoval. It says it right down here in Braille. So I'll read it to you guys. Dear Brianna, best for a speedy recovery. Get well soon. Love. PRS? I don't know. Donovan? I don't know how to say it, but thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate all the love and support. And this is cute. Oh, stars and flowers. Oh, I know who this is from. Oh. Okay, let me try to read this to you. So, I heard you got hand surgery. I hope you get well soon. I know what it's like to be in pain and not able to do many things. There's things, so I don't know what he meant to say. I wish you the best of luck, recovery, love, Colton. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I love you all too.